Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2487th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video is coming at you on a Sunday night for trading Sunday through Monday. That would be October 31st, 2022, and happy haunted Halloween, Omniacs around the world, in the U.S., of course, who might celebrate that holiday. All right, so traders, remember the risk involved in trading. Very, very risky game. You seen that massive rally on Friday? Scary rally if you were short, right? So watch out, put your stops in, and never trade without them. So here we are. We're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average for trading on Sunday night through Monday. And traders, I know we've had a nice smart rally, but maybe it was just a relief rally, because look at each one of these smart rallies where it ends, right? You see it? You get a nice big rally. It ends at that red line and the 200 bar moving average. Sometimes you get a little above, but basically the red line and the 200 bar moving average, which is where we're at right now on Sunday evening for trading Monday. That's your Dow Jones. Now, the OMNI is green and wants me to buy dips, but I'm showing you that we may be running into an out-of-steam area in our U.S. indices today, tomorrow. Let's see what's going to happen. You know they're getting ready to raise rates, right? Would make perfect sense to see this go up here, hang out a little bit, and then goodbye after they raise rates. So one day at a time. It's only Sunday night for Monday. That's one chart I wanted to show you. Then the second chart I want to show you is pretty interesting as well. That should be right here. Yes, it is. Check this chart out. Traders, I think it's time for us to trade some bonds. Look at the 30-year T-bonds. Look, it's a daily bar. Each kiss of this red line was the absolute kiss of death. Each time you touched it, kiss of death. Got near it, kiss of death. Just touched it on Friday. Should be the kiss of death. What else do you have? Well, look at the average. Check this out. It stayed under the market, under the market, under the market. As soon as we hit the kiss of death red line, it goes above the market. Stays there at each kiss. So, I don't know. Looks to me like we need to start selling bonds. Interesting that they're raising rates and bonds going down would make perfect sense. So this rally up before they raise rates makes perfect sense for a play to be short bonds for the way back down. Maybe all the way down to the bottom of this trend. We'll see what's going to happen. One day at a time as we're day traders. That's what I wanted to show you on this Halloween Sunday evening. The kiss of death has been issued to bonds, and you've seen that big resistance area we've got to get above in the Dow in order to move forward. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to these videos, to my channel, and remember, join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm in a live free trading room where I can speak directly to you day and night. And then finally, remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your patronage. I cannot thank you enough for all you do. Good luck trading, and I will see you all at